In a significant development, Talcher MLA Brajokishore Pradhan on Saturday raised serious concerns over alleged coal theft at the Jagannath Open Cast project. The MLA reportedly uncovered that high-grade coal extracted from the mine was being stored by the mining authorities under the pretext of waste materials and stones before being sold illegally for profit. Despite official documents declaring this coal as government property, it was reportedly being transported without proper authorization by a contractor. Taking immediate action, the MLA personally visited the site and intervened to halt the ongoing coal pilferage. The matter has been formally brought to the attention of the Gopal Prasad Police Station and the Anugul District Collector through written complaints. The MLA has called for a thorough, high-level investigation into the issue. Efforts to get a statement from the Jagannath OCP authorities have so far been unsuccessful.
गतकाली संध्या 5:30 समय स्थान जगन्नाथ ओसीपी कोल स्टॉक नंबर 4 रे पहुंची थी। मो सूत्र विशेष सूत्र खबर पाई पहुंचला बेलू मेसेज बीएल नामक ठिकादारी संस्था डंपर गुड़िक बिना कौनसी अधिकृत अनुमति निमंत्रण किंबा रेकर्ड रे जगन्नाथ ओसीपी कोल स्टॉक नंबर 4 रे अवैध भाव में कोल डंपिंग करुवा बेले धरा पड़ी। दुर्नीतिर व्यापकता तालचेर कोलफिल्ड्स रे अन्य खणी रे मध्य एपरि दुर्नीति व्यापी।